A pile of doors out of chance that are in need of repair and sometimes need some new parts, as can be seen from this bit here and this bit here, and also a pile of bits off the doors which need to be remade and re-glued once and taken together again in much the same way it was put together in the first place. Over here, a pair of galley doors which have just been scraped of all the loose varnish, sanded down and been tarted up, made better than they were before. As we track round again, these are a pair of old doors which have been, unfortunately, had the weather got to them and have been broken and are in not a very good condition at all. These will have to be remade because they are big doors, as you can see. The one behind this is even bigger, and unfortunately is in even worse condition than that one. Rot in this joint here, and it's going to be a big expensive job to put this one right. However, next to them, some success stories. These are in good condition and are going to be replaced, just re-varnished.